Meaning of Gordonstoun.
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 Gordonstoun. Gordonstoun is a coeducational independent school located in Moray, Scotland. It was founded in 1934 by Kurt Hahn, a German educator who believed in the holistic development of young people through outdoor activities and community service. The school's curriculum includes academics, sports, and outdoor education, with an emphasis on leadership and character development. Notable alumni include Prince Philip, Duke of Edinburgh, and his sons Prince Charles, Prince Andrew, and Prince Edward. Today, Gordonstoun continues to uphold its values of personal responsibility, service, and internationalism while preparing students for success in the modern world.